to American Dream Garage. I'm continuing my series of videos on Mecum Kissimmee 2026. At Kissimmee, I saw 5 or 6 H2 Hummers, all in very, very presentable and good condition. From 20,000 miles up to like 95,000 miles, which is still, I think, reasonable for one of these vehicles. This particular car has 48,000, and we love it. It's snowing here, and there is nothing better than this car in the snow. So anyway, I will show those cars, we'll look at them, we'll rate them, and then we'll watch them cross the block. We're looking at another Hummer. It's an interesting color. I think this one has 70,000 miles. Got the rear entertainment, sunroof. Paint's got a few little nicks. It's hard to nick these cars because they're so freaking high up in the air. So it's an 05. Oh, 94,000 miles, which 94,000 miles is still, I consider, low for one of these. It's 20 years old, and these things get a lot of miles, which is interesting because I was thinking about if I bought one, driving it back to Kansas, and it's like, I'm not sure I want to drive one of these on the highway for that far, although we have one that's pretty comfortable. So this one shows pretty nice. Again, 94,000 miles. It's going to be cheaper than some of the other ones we've seen. So we'll see if that one crosses the block.
Now offering G146, 05 Hummer H2, V8, automatic, 4-wheel drive, third row seating, no reserve.
You put it on like it down, put it in 50, turn on the bed. You put it in 15, 15, 17, and I say we did everything you chose, give us 17, everything did it 17, did it 17, 17, did everything did it 50 out of the bed, 17,000 on the bed, 15, 17, and now the did it 17, against 16, 18, and 16, you handed it 18, 18, now I'll take 17, we'll time some folks against 16, but you gotta be 17 right, 16 down to the now, 17 gonna be now, 16, 17, and I'm saying you're 16, you gotta go, 16, 17, 16, against 17, last call, 16, Travis in the lead, and against the 17, last call, 16, against 17, 16, 17, sold 16,000, sold 16,000, Travis.
Okay, we're looking at a Hummer, and this is an 85,000 mile 05. It's the pickup model. Nice, clean interior, good tires. Looks to be all original. So this is a medium mileage example. Nice color. So we'll see what that one crosses the block for.
D40, 2005 Hummer H2 pickup, 4-wheel drive, no reserve.
No reserve. 15 to bid, sells to no reserve. 15 pounds another dollar. 15 to bid, negative 15 pounds on it. 15, 16 pound dollar, 17 pound out of bid, 16, 17, 17 pounds another dollar. 16 pounds another bid, high negative 16, high negative 16, 16 pounds another bid. Oh boy, high negative 16 pound dollar, 16 to bid, high negative 16 pound dollar, 15 to bid, 16 to bid, high. Got 15 pounds, thank you, 16 pounds. Internet gonna be 16, 15 pounds. Last call, 16 pounds and out of bed dying. Sold 15 pounds.
So another Hummer, and of course it's late, so I won't be here to film it, but this is a 2005, and it says it has 57,000 miles, which is, again, low for a Hummer. Frame probably has been painted because these things rust on the frame pretty bad, but it's the pickup model. It's got a sunroof, so it's nicely equipped. Interior looks nice. Aftermarket wheels, rear mounted spare. Very nice. I can't decide if I like the yellow or not. I like yellow Corvettes. I like yellow Camaros. On the Hummer, I'm not sure. This is my wife. Loves Hummers. Would take another. She's got one already. What do you think, man? It doesn't smell? So anyway, we will not watch it, but we will see what it crosses the block for. Okay, so one more Hummer in the Hummer series. There'll be about 6 of them total. This is a 2003. I normally wouldn't look at it because of the custom wheels and some of the other chrome gizmos and gadgets on it. Not that it's not tastefully done, but it only has 21,000 miles, which makes it unique. So it's got a lot of stuff in here too, a lot of chroming. So this wouldn't be, it's got a sunroof. This wouldn't be one for me or my wife who likes Hummers. And it's got the bars up top. But some people like all the extra pizzazz on these things. So I won't watch that cross the block either, but we'll check on the results. Okay, we're looking at a 2003 Hummer. The unique thing about this is, you could say the color, yellow, not as common, but it's got 19,000 miles. So this looks to be all original. Most of these cars have huge amounts of miles on them. This one looks to be pretty pristine. So this would be, I've seen low mileage ones before, not many that have this kind of miles. This car looks to be well equipped and smells almost new. So this car could, although it's late on the first Friday, which doesn't do it a lot of good, but that's a pristine example. So we will not watch it cross the block, but I will report on the results. All right, we're looking at 2 Hummers from the Boyd collection. Both, I think, are pretty low mileage. So this is 30,000, which is lower than my wife's. Paint looks it, the interior looks good. It's a sunroof car. Very little signs of wear. Paint looks really good. Yeah, they've treated this underneath with some heavy black.
That car sold for 110.
Because these things have bad corrosion. It has add-on brush guards, but overall very nice. And to find low mileage in these things is pretty rare. There were a couple earlier that had between 20 and 30, and they sold for 39,000. And then right next to that one is one more also from the same collection. This one's 43,000 miles. So this is the same as my wife's. It's a sunroof, which, believe it or not, is important in that without the sunroof, they have a console here, which I hit my head on all the time. But this car looks to be very good, authentic for that kind of miles. Paint looks good, got the rear mounted spare. Seat's gone, that's also very common. Underneath, same thing. It's been blacked out, heavily blacked out. But I guess that's okay. Engine looks, well, yeah, engine bay looks like it should, I guess. It's insulation's a little worse for wear. It's missing something. No, I guess not. The other one is too. So overall, this is 30,000 actual miles. Where this up here says 43. Maybe he had the sign made a long time ago. Got a booger on the grill. So those two will cross the block. I don't know, maybe we'll still be here. My wife would like to watch those.
220 and 05 Hummer H2 with a 6-liter 4-wheel drive. Hit by 530, and down 30, but get 30, but get 730, and down 2, 135 pounds, and under get 35 pounds, and 35 pounds, and 135 pounds, 7. I get 35, 7 reserve is off. That's 6, 7, 107 pounds, David about 7 pounds, and down 37, now 8, and down 38. I get 37, 38. Travis has a bid, 37, 38. 37 pound under David 8. Internet, you go back in. I got 37. The cars will sell 38,000 and 37 8. I have a 37 pound under 8,000. All they are down under David at 38,000. So $37,000 Travis. Norman. Up next on G222 and 07 Hummer H2 with a Vortex V8 Green Carfax. Heavy down 5 to get 5 under David to get 30. 30 down 5. And down 35. 30 minute 35 pound under David. Internet say there at 40. Higher David at 40. Higher David at 40. Higher 7 40. Higher now 9 8 9. Internet 10 down 9. Reserves off 38,000 down 900 David at 9 minute down 940. And down 40 minute get 40. 40 pound under down 40. 42, I get 42,500, David, get 45, and 42's bid, 45 pound under David, but David, the internet will let you in there at 43, you've been with me the whole way, 43, Travis has bid, last call, if you want her, 43,000, so $42,000 Travis.